In this video, I'm going to be talking about the scripting technique that I used to manifest my future husband, manifest full-time travel, living in other countries, and even building businesses and YouTube channels that are running with a lot more ease and flow than what I was doing before a few years ago. Hi, my name is Amanda Abeo. Welcome to Mindful Success Path. On this channel, we help high achievers, high performers, and entrepreneurs get a lot more accomplished while they stress a lot less. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single video that we have coming out on this channel. We talk mindfulness, meditation, psychology, neuroscience, consciousness. We bring it all in to help people get results a lot more easily. And if you would like to take what I'm going to be talking about in this video to a whole other level, I go a lot deeper into the scripting process in my free manifestation guide, which you can find below. In that guide, I talk about the 4-step process I use to rewire my brain to manifest more abundance and success in my life in a way that wouldn't run me into the ground, manifest my future husband, and also manifest living and traveling in other countries. I currently spend most of my time in Mexico. I got this all accomplished in about 18 months after spending decades trying to accomplish it and getting it nowhere. And it all came down to what was going on in between my 2 ears. So you can find that for free below. So let's first get into what is scripting. So it's interesting because I've been following a lot of more traditional businesses and entrepreneurs and mentors for a very long time. And they always talked about write your goals down in the morning and write them down before you go to bed at night, but they never actually used the term scripting or manifesting or any of those kinds of terms. They were just like, you got to know what your goals are, and then you 10x, and then you go really hard on your goal every day, and then you write your goals down again at night, and boom, you're going to get what you want, right? Along those lines. And I always thought it was so interesting that some of these more traditional business people who've probably accomplished the most end up using a lot of tools like manifesting and scripting, but I don't know if it's that they don't realize that they're doing it or they're just not using that terminology. So it's something that has been proven to work. And one of the reasons why is because it helps to rewire your brain and focus your mind on what it is that you're creating instead of your current reality. So scripting is basically when you write down what it is that you desire in either past or present tense. And one of the things that I did, I'll actually give 2 examples, is when I was ready to manifest love. I'd been single-ish for about 10 years. And I was ready to manifest love, partnership, get married, really do the thing, right? And I actually sat down and I said, okay, I'm going to do the list thing. But the list thing was really me writing down, specific characters. And then I took it a step specific characteristics and character traits, I should say. And then I took it a step further and I said, okay, well, what kind of a life do I actually want? And I started journaling this stuff out as if it was already happening. I was like, oh, well, we own all these profitable businesses and brands. I have a business where I can spend a lot more time in ease and flow in my feminine so I can be with a more masculine man. We're traveling all over the world. We're living in other countries. And I wrote this out for several months, actually. And 4 months later, I ended up meeting my now fiance. And I think less than a year after that, we were already together. We started traveling. Now we spend most of our time in Mexico. We're already starting on this global citizenship journey. We're really into that, the global lifestyle and global citizenship. So we started that about a few months in, and then in 12 months, we were engaged. So it happened very, very quickly. Which is the first thing that I want to bring up, is just how fast this really starts to go and how fast your life really starts to change when you take scripting into account. So that's one of the ways in which I did it. The other way in which I do it, which is what I go more into in that free manifestation guide, so make sure to download it below. The other way that I do it is I actually do it every morning. And every morning what I do is I write my goals out in past or present tense. There's about 20 things, and I cover the different areas of life. So I cover relationship, I cover money and career, and I cover health, spirituality, so on and so forth. I basically hit all the angles. Because one of the mistakes that I used to make is I used to think, I can only focus on one thing at a time. I can only manifest one thing at a time. And eventually I realized how limiting that actually was in helping me create my reality. So now I just make sure to hit all the angles. So it might sound like I'm married to the love of my life and we travel the world together. I'm married to the love of my life and we own profitable businesses. We make 100K cash minimum every single month, and it's so easy. We enroll 10 to 15 new high-ticket clients every month so easily, and they all came to us. We have a passport portfolio. We just spent time in Thailand and Indonesia and Japan. So this is like literally what I'm writing in my scripting. So I do that every single morning when I wake up as a part of my morning manifestation routine. And if you want a full video where I break down the full routine of my manifestation morning routine, I will make sure to leave it below, and also you can click on it around here somewhere so that you can check out that one. Because this is just one part of a 4-part routine I do every morning that takes about 15 to 30 minutes, depending on how much time I have that morning. So I do this every morning. And essentially what I'm doing is I'm just training my brain on what to focus on, because our brains are these amazing machines that if you tell it what to focus on, it's going to go figure out how to solve that problem. In addition to that, the reason why I'm doing this in the morning is because I want to set my day up right. What most people do is they wake up in the morning and they immediately start scrolling Instagram, or they check their email, or they're already oftentimes waking up in a state of chronic stress. And what they do is they immediately go solve problems and put out fires instead of putting intentionality into their day and how they're trying to create their life. So one of the ways in which I put in that intentionality is with the scripting, and you can actually find templates in that free manifestation guide. So make sure to download that if you haven't already, because it focuses my brain on where I want to go. It focuses me on where I want to go, and then I'm more easily able to move in that direction during the day, whatever it is that I have to do that day. I am also less reactive if things are not going my way. One of the things that's so important that we need to do, which scripting allows us to do, is to basically ignore the circumstances going on around us. So I have found that scripting really helps me do that. And here's what I mean by that. Oftentimes life is gonna life, right? So we're going to have situations where sometimes things are difficult. Like let's say you run a business and certain things in the business are going really well, but now you have this like problem client or a bill that you didn't expect or anything like that. And what most average people do is they just allow their outside circumstances to dictate how they feel. And then what happens is they start going into, oh, I feel like crap. And then they start sabotaging because they don't have a focus, right? They don't have a focal point. And what I'm asking you to do as a high performer, a high achiever, an entrepreneur, a conscious person, is I'm asking you to have intentionality in your day. So let's say something does go wrong during your day and something does go haywire and you maybe get some bad news. Well, that bad news doesn't have to derail your whole day like it would for an average person. That bad news doesn't even need to make you feel bad necessarily. You could look at it and be like, oh, it's just data, it's just a feedback. I'm in a feedback loop, and then that's showing me that maybe I got to go work on this thing over here, which is a far more empowering way to look at those things than, letting it thrash you all over the place, which is how most people respond. And then finally, those setbacks, quote unquote, or that bad news that you got during the day, you don't have to spend as much time focusing on it. You don't have to give it more energy than it actually deserves. And then you are more easily able to go back to your focal point, which is your goals, which is what you scripted that very morning. So scripting's really life-changing. It completely changed my life in 18 months. Like I said, download the free guide below so you can get more templates on how I do it and how it all works together. Because it's really powerful. And when you start going back on what you've scripted in the past, you start seeing, oh my gosh, my husband or my fiance literally matches this entire list that I wrote. Or, oh my gosh, I was journaling about, traveling and living in other countries a few years ago with the love of my life, and I'm doing it, right? It really starts to blow your mind, and you start to gather evidence that all these things actually really work and that you are the creator of your reality. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. What are some of your favorite manifestation techniques? Let us know in the comments because, different strokes for different folks. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single video, and I will catch you on the next one.